Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Running off with athletics, with 4 days to go before the start of the World Athletics Championships, most of Jamaica's 67-member team have arrived and settled in at their designated team hotel. Spencer Darlington is in Budapest, Hungary, and filed this report.
This is the Mercure and Ibis Budapest Castle Hill Hotel, and it's where Team Jamaica will be staying for the duration of the World Championships. It's just about 15 minutes driving time from the stadium where the action will be taking place. Now, we are told that over 90% of Jamaica's 65-member team are now in-house at this hotel. As far as the 10-day training camp is concerned, that ended earlier today, and the athletes and members of the management team, the entire Jamaican delegation, moved over to this hotel for the remainder of the championships. Technical leader MAURICE Wilson, he was at the camp and he said he was pleased with many aspects of what he saw at the 10-day training camp.
Most of the athletes were present, and as you know, it wasn't a mandatory camp. But those persons who we thought were of great importance in terms of relays would have turned up. And overall, the nutrition was good, the facilities were excellent, and in my estimation, the camaraderie was very good.
Relay practice also took center stage at the camp, and Coach Wilson also spoke about the importance of relay practice, what was achieved specifically there, and the need for a few more logistical efforts to be put in place for this aspect of the team's training going forward to future global championships.
We're making some progress, but I'm not sure without policy if we're going to see the sort of improvement that is necessary. There are a lot of factors that contribute to athletes not turning up to these camps, and it is going to require a lot of resources for us to get that kind of commitment, because what it may mean is that they would have to travel to other meets before and compete together, maybe pay their stipend so that they can, some of the meets that they would normally attend, they use that period for relay practice.
Meanwhile, Jamaica's team media liaison officer Dennis Gordon told TVJ Sports that having visited the athletes' village, he could confirm that the team has settled in nicely and that they are upbeat and looking forward to a good championship. The team will train at 6 a.m. Wednesday in Budapest. That's 11 p.m. Tuesday, Jamaica time. Reporting from Budapest in Hungary, site of the 19th World Athletics Championships, I'm Spencer Darlington for TVJ Sports.